Hi, welcome to another video from Technary.com, and today we have a feature phone to be reviewed. This is the Adcom A1 Selfie feature phone. So this is the box of the device and we will do the unboxing soon. So this is the back side of the product. So these are the features of the so this is the box of the device. So there are various mentions features of this feature phone, and we will talk about all the details of this device from the company Adcom in detail. So we will do the unboxing of this product. So this is a sealed package from the company. Yeah, so we will do the unboxing of it. So we'll open it carefully and let's check out what all accessories you get and what all is there inside this package. So we will open the box carefully. So we're opening the box of this device. This is the Adcom A1 selfie feature phone. So yeah, we can see a lot of things. So this is earphones. Let's check out if it has mic or not. So these are earphones. This is the device itself. Yes, it is the feature phone from Adcom. Let's look at the device. Wow, it looks really cool in this navy blue color. So it looks stylish and sturdy too. It is very much lightweighted. I guess there's no battery inside. We'll put the battery and check it out. Let's see what's more inside. So yeah, this is a charger. Yeah, it is having a charger. So it comes with adapter and charging cable as well. So there is a charger slot as we can see. There's also 3.5 slot for your headphones. So this is the device from the company Adcom. Very nice looking design. The weight of the mobile is just 150 grams with the battery. Let's see what's more inside in this box. Many things. This is the battery as mentioned. The phone was not having the battery. Now this is the battery from the company Adcom. As we can see, battery is also from the company. Very nice package. So we'll open the package and actually we will actually put the battery. So with the device, you will get earphones, battery, and a thank you card. The phone comes with a warranty of 1 year. So 1 year is an amazing warranty for this feature phone from the brand Adcom. And we will take out some. We'll try to switch it on soon, and we will show you the features. So as we can see, there are physical keypad. So it is having physical buttons on this feature phone. This is the back side of the device. It is having a rear camera. We'll talk about the camera soon. It is also having a flash. So as we can see, camera, there is a rear side camera. We'll talk about the features of the camera as well. The phone has a digital selfie camera as well, and it is the first India's feature phone with a selfie camera. So you can capture any moment with the selfie camera. Though it's a very basic camera, I guess do not expect any high quality. It just captures the moment. So we will talk about the phone's details. We'll take out another accessory from the box. Let's check out this accessory, what it is. Any guesses? So yeah, we will do the check out the accessory. As we can see, these are the headphones from the company Adcom. A basic headphones for sure. It will do the needful to listen to music, listen to FM radio basically. Yes, this phone has FM radio. So for enjoying FM radio music, you can use these headphones. So these are also provided with the box. So you can enjoy FM radio or also MP3 music on this device. Also, we'll check out what else is there. So yeah, this is the adapter of the device. So with the device, you will get the adapter to charging the phone. So you can charge your phone with ease using this adapter. So we'll open that case as well. We'll open the package and we'll show you the adapter of this phone. So as we can see, we are opening it. So this is the adapter, basic adapter. But yes, the company has provided an adapter, which is a big thing for a feature phone, very less seen nowadays. But yes, an adapter is provided by the company. So basically, it's a very normal adapter, and you can charge your phone from it. These are the headphones which mentioned earlier from the company Adcom. You can see the branding of the company as well. So this is from the company Adcom. We will keep all the accessories in front of us. So this is a thank you note from the company. So yeah, you get 10% off discount as well when you shop from the company. And this is a warranty registration also of 1 year as mentioned ago. So this is from the company Adcom A1 selfies feature phone. So as we can see the package, nicely packaged, compact package wherein you get all these things. Now we will actually remove the plastic casing of the battery, and we will insert the battery into the smartphone, into the feature phone soon. So it is a rechargeable ion battery, and it is a battery model ST02. Normal voltage is 3.7 volt, and there's warning also mentioned. It's made in India, guys. So made in India battery is really important nowadays. If people are following it, then you can actually use made in India battery for sure from the company Adcom. So we can see other details. At rated capacity is 1050 mAh, and the charging voltage limit is 4.2 volts, and we can see the rated power is 3.9 watt hour. So this is the company Adcom. So you have to read the warning properly. You should not actually, you should use the battery properly. So we will soon insert the battery in the phone. So I did like the battery of the phone, because having an Indian brand making the batteries is really important, and to use that battery in your phone is really amazing thing. So rechargeable Leon battery, 1050 mAh battery is really sufficient for a feature phone. You can use it since long time for sure. We'll check it out. So that was the battery of the phone. So we will now put the battery inside this phone. So we have opened the back cover of this feature phone. As we can see, it's a dual SIM feature phone from Adcom. This is the Adcom A1 selfie feature phone. So we will insert the battery now in this device. Let's check out. We'll start the device without the battery. You cannot start the device. So as we can see properly, there are a lot of things. There's also a slot, memory card slot as well. So we'll talk about it. The phone is having 1.8-inch display. It is a 2.5D curved glass design, which is helpful to prevent from any scratches. It also helps to get a better visual experience. So the phone, as mentioned, has two GSM SIM card slots. You can easily switch between the SIM profiles, and this phone is easy to use and fast to access the features of the device. It is having expandable memory as shown, so the slot can be used. You can use a 8 GB memory card inside this phone, so you can upload memories in it. You can actually save a lot of data. So that was the speaker of the phone which shown to you. So that is the speaker grill as seen to you. So that's, I will actually insert the battery now, and we will surely test the phone. We'll switch on the phone. So yeah, I checked the plus minus sign, and in this way you have to insert the battery of the device. So once the battery is kept, we will actually put on the back cover of this device, and we will switch on the phone for sure. So we have actually put on the back cover of this Adcom A1 selfie feature phone, India's first feature phone with a selfie camera. So we will switch on as per the company for sure. So we'll switch on the device. So as we can see, the button which is used for picking the calls should be used to switch on the smartphone, switch on the feature phone. So we have switched on the feature phone. As we can see the Adcom logo on it. Very nice logo. So yes, it's made in India. As we can see, insert one SIM, insert two. So we will not put the SIM cards as of now. We'll test the phone first. So welcome to the unboxing device. We have already unboxed the device and we will now check out the user experience of this device. So let's check out all the features of it, and we will actually play around with the phone, what all features it has. We will show it to you what is the UI of this phone. As we can see, the physical keypad does look amazing. It showcases a very nice blue lit physical keypad where you can see the buttons properly. And so this is the UI, and there are a lot of things like calls, phone book, organizer, fun and games, messages, multimedia, user profiles, settings, and call history as well. So also it is having internet. So these are things. So in the phone book there are a lot of things like quick search, search contact, add number, delete, caller groups, settings. So all these things you can see. So there is memory status as well, which you can check in the phone. So you can save 500 contacts in this phone. So this feature phone can save up to 500 contacts. So that is sufficient for normal usage for sure. So that was the phone part. It was the phone book. This is the organizer. You can connect it to Bluetooth as well. Alarm is there, calendar, calculator. So there are a lot of things. So we are checking the Bluetooth as well. Yes, this feature phone has Bluetooth in it. You can search for other devices. You can connect this phone to other Bluetooth device with ease. So this is the version of the Bluetooth. So you can connect hands-free device as well. Very nicely. Features. So this is the about phone. That was the about phone. So we'll check alarm feature as well. You can set alarms on this feature phone. Cool features. Calendar is also there. Very nicely shown UI of the calendar. So a feature phone is packed with so many of the things. Very nice calendar. You can navigate easily from one month to another with ease. So we are just navigating in the calendar. We are checking out the stuff in this phone. So there's calculator as well, to-do list as well. You can set up to-do list in this phone. So there are a lot of things for sure. So if you want to do calculate things, you can easily use the calculator. You can calculate stuff from the phone itself. No need to buy a different calculator. So nowadays you can do calculations easily on the phone. So this is the to-do list. You can add list. You can make a list for sure for shopping, to go anywhere. If you want to do some things, make a to-do list for sure. This is the flashlight. You can start the flashlight. Yes, it is having a flashlight for sure. It is having a world clock. As we can see, the timing is New Delhi right now, where we can change to any timing as per the need and requirements. So that was the timing of the phone, and many things are there. We will talk about it. So as mentioned, it is having a digital selfie camera. So it is a normal digital selfie camera, not megapixel camera for sure. And it is having time and date. We can set up time and date as per the need. Whatever it is, we can set it. Set time and date. We will set random time and date for sure. So after doing that, we'll go ahead. So we will see other features of this feature phone as well. So there is file manager also. You can check out what all files are using the storage memory of this device. So a lot of things in it. So very nice design, lightweight as mentioned. So it's a basic camera it is having. So we'll check out the formats also. The phone is easy to use as mentioned. As per the company, you can store up to 1500 songs with ease with the use of the expanded memory. As we can see, we are trying out the rear camera. So we are taking a picture of the box itself, and you can see the quality of the pictures. So it just makes work done. So apart from this, there's a built-in FM radio in this device. You can tune in to your favorite FM radio station with ease. There's also torchlight in the device. It will help you to find your way in the darkness for sure. That was the rear side of the camera. There's multi-language support. You can enjoy a regional language support with this mobile. You can use the flash on, you can use the shutter sound while clicking pictures. The user is able to enjoy music or video player with ease. So apart from this, it is having a very unique feature. So it has voice changer feature. So this is a unique feature in the device. There is an inbuilt feature which you can use for voice changing purposes on a call. You can use it for a prank or for fun as well. You can change your voice from a normal man to child, old, woman, cartoon, etc. You can do it with ease from the settings in this device. This is a fun feature in which you can really make fun of your friends and have a great time. Best part is that this is an inbuilt feature in the device. There is no need to buy any software to do this. Just use this device, just use this feature as a prank call maybe. So connectivity, the phone having the GPRS. So you can have internet access with the device. It is having Bluetooth connectivity as well. You can do the data transfer with ease using the Bluetooth. As mentioned, the battery capacity is also decent. It is having 1050 mAh battery. So we'll talk about other features. So as mentioned earlier, it gives accessories like earphones, battery, and a thank you card. It also comes with 1 year warranty. So the final verdict of this feature phone, it is an ideal phone for senior citizens. That's what I think. That's what we believe at Technary. Also, if you're looking for a good mobile phone with a long battery life, this can be your companion. It can be used as a secondary mobile phone. It's like the feature. I just like the feature of the voice changer of this feature phone. It has selfie camera too. Ideal phone for making prank calls and must buy for senior citizens, which is having minimum features. So that was our final verdict of this feature phone. Talking about the price, it is having a price of 1099, that is the MRP. But if you want discount, check out the link below and buy now this device. You can get it for 899 right now. You can check. So just at 899 you can get this feature phone. That's it from our side. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like this video and share it with your family and friends.